Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing sharply higher on Monday, lifted by shares in banks, insurance, and transportation sectors as trade war concerns continue to calm. Advancers ahead of decliners. 76% of S&P 500 constituents, they traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Lowe's in focus after announcing a new leadership structure with COO Richard Maltzberger leaving the company effective immediately. Meanwhile, J.M. Smucker reporting the sale of its U.S. baking business for $375 million while turning overseas. Asian markets mostly higher today. The Nikkei up 0.66%, the Hang Seng down 0.02%. China CSI 300 up about 0.25%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.37%. European markets gaining ground, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. In terms of expectations today, PepsiCo second quarter EPS seen at $1.52, while on the economic dock at 10 o'clock in the morning we had the May JOLTS job opening report. Now turning to the markets, the S&P 500 that sees the bias remain bullish, while the Nasdaq also sees a bullish bias, this time above 72.73, and that's in focus, where long positions above 72.73 are favored, with targets at 73.35 and 73.75 in extension. And lastly, the Dow Jones sees the bias remain bullish as well.